The history of manufacturing is synonymous with innovation, with invention. Humans and machines working side by side to meet deadlines, to meet demand. Leading manufacturers are running the smart factories of the future with modern, agile approaches to supply chains for flexibility in delivery models and resilience in operations. For more than 20 years, VMware has partnered with manufacturers worldwide to deliver the digital solutions needed to compete in today's fast-paced, unpredictable business environment. Our digital foundation for manufacturing, anchored by consistent infrastructure and operations across data center, cloud, mobile, and edge environments, boosts innovation and agility while keeping data and intellectual property secure.
VMware is the engine powering our infrastructure, reducing time to market, increasing IT security, and seamless availability at all locations. In the long term, our main concern is to reduce complexity, and VMware solutions fit perfectly due to their high degree of integration. No other company was able to offer us this technological advantage.
Through adoption of modern apps and cloud technologies, manufacturers gain speed and automation, whether it is to provision test environments quickly or to use IoT devices to monitor and control manufacturing processes. VMware's common cloud infrastructure and application modernization platform streamlines IT operations across on-premises, cloud, and edge environments, unifying previously disparate systems with consistent operations and usable insights that improve throughput and quality, while speeding the delivery of innovative new services that harness the power of artificial intelligence, robotics, data analytics, and industrial IoT. And when critical events do occur, manufacturers rely on their infrastructure to be agile and resilient to changing demand.
Prior to VMware, the infrastructure itself wasn't allowing us to move forward. Without VMware, we certainly wouldn't be able to put in Salesforce 365, our board reporting, HR systems, payroll systems out into the cloud.
Manufacturing's workforce is undergoing its own transformation. From co-robotics to advanced analytics, manufacturers are rethinking how and where work gets done across the value chain. VMware digital workspace solutions empower productivity, shorten response times, and keep critical processes and communications flowing by giving employees secure, seamless access to business apps and data from any device or location.
One of the most valuable results for our digital workspace transformation at Noltec has been enabling remote work. They can, in the field with a tablet or a phone, view and manipulate a 3D drawing that would otherwise require them to be at a fixed workstation. Now we are able to have two people across the world communicate and collaborate to get changes into the 3D drawings within a matter of minutes.
Embracing new technologies also means safeguarding against new attack vectors and cyber threats, all targeting intellectual property and data. VMware's zero trust model of security is embedded across infrastructure and endpoints to gain visibility and context of every interaction between users, apps, devices, and clouds, enabling IT to proactively protect IP, data, and applications across any endpoint, wherever data travels and rests. As the speed of change continues to accelerate, we know industries look to manufacturers for inspiration. Reinvention requires innovation, all for the support of a more sustainable and resilient future. And VMware is proud to support manufacturing as it transforms to meet new demands.